Want to burn fat, boost energy, and eat like your body was designed to? The paleo diet might just change your life. But only if you avoid the 5 huge mistakes most people make. Stick around for 3 delicious paleo meals you can start today. Welcome to Lose Zone, where we help you transform your body and your health, one smart choice at a time. If you're ready to crush your weight loss goals, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Here are the top benefits. First, it encourages whole, unprocessed foods, supports healthy weight loss naturally, improves blood sugar control, reduces inflammation, provides dense nutrition, improves digestion, and keeps you full longer with higher protein intake. Sounds great, right? But here's the truth. People sabotage their paleo results all the time. Let's make sure you're not one of them. Mistake number 1, overeating high-calorie paleo snacks like nuts. Mistake 2, forgetting vegetables. Paleo is not just meat. Mistake 3, ignoring portion sizes. Yes, even healthy food can add pounds. And mistake 4, relying on packaged paleo products loaded with hidden sugars. Avoid these and you'll be miles ahead of most beginners. Now, let's make this diet delicious. Breakfast, scrambled eggs and avocado oil, sautéed spinach and mushrooms, fresh berries. Lunch, grilled salmon, roasted sweet potatoes, steamed broccoli with lemon. Dinner, grass-fed beef steak, creamy cauliflower mash, mixed green salad with avocado dressing. Not only are these meals packed with flavor, they're full of the nutrients your body craves. If you learned something new today, give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe to Lose Zone for more tips and recipes that actually work. May the Lord always bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget the description area for any free help we offer.